Good morning, students. Today we will study about algebraic identities. Algebraic identities means an algebraic equation which is true for all the values of the variable occurring in it or involved in it. 5 identities I have explained, and fifth identity which we did yesterday, that is a square of a trinomial is equal to square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into third term into first term. This we have done yesterday, and now we are doing one. It means, see how many terms are there? 6 terms are there. Square of a trinomial means 6 terms will be there. Now we want to factorize this. If you will see, count the terms, see here are also 6 terms. 3 terms are of square and 3 are other terms. So we will try to make this form. Here also 6 terms, here also 6 terms are there. But one problem is there, that here in 6 terms all terms are positive and here 2 terms are negative. See which terms are negative? Minus 4xy and minus 2yz. And what is the common variable in both? Y is common. Means term of y should be negative. So how we will start this? First we will think, see here is 4x square. We will try to make it whole square. 4x square. 4 is the square of 2 and x square is the square of x. So we can write as square of 2x. And what is y square? It is a square of y. But I told you that y variable is common in these two negative terms. Means y term should be negative. You know, minus y square is also y square, or y square is also y square. So no effect will be there if we will write y square as minus y whole square. Why we are taking negative? Because these are two negative terms and y variable is common here. And now z square we can write as z square. So what a square plus b square plus c square. Now we will write 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We will see that this form is becoming or not. What is a? 2x. What is b? Minus y. What is c? Z. Now 2 into a into b means first term into second term. 2x into minus y. Second term into third term. 2 into second term into third term. 2 into third term into first term. Now solve. If you will solve orally, then what you will get? Minus 4xy. Minus 4xy we are getting. Minus 2yz. It is here. Plus 4zx. It is also here. It means the form is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This we have shown here. Means our question is in this, it can be written in this form. And by using this identity we can say that this form is equal to a plus b whole square. Means we can write this as the square of a trinomial. We can write this expression as the square of a trinomial. What is first term? 2x. What is second term? Minus y. What is third term? Z. And now we can write 2x minus y plus z whole square. And we can write 2 times 2x minus y plus z, 2x minus y plus z. This will be the answer. In this way we have factorized this. Is it clear? Now see the next. Next, one more sum we are doing of this type. This is question number 5, second part. Second part we are doing. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. We want to factorize this. See here also 6 terms are there. 6 terms are there. See how we will try to see that whether our question is in this form or not. See 2x square. 2 is the square of what? 2 is the square of root 2. Root 2 square is 2. So 2 is the square of root 2 and x square is the square of x. So this root is separate and x is separate here. Root 2x whole square. This y square we can write as square of y. And what is 8? 8 is the square of root 8. Or not? But it should be in the simplest form. 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2. And in square root, if anything is 2 times, it will come 1 time outside. It means 8 is the square of 2 root 2. So we can write 2 root 2 z whole square. So we have written a square plus b square plus c square. Now see in this expression also 2 terms are negative. In this expression 2 terms are negative. Means one variable will be negative. See what is common here. X is common here. Means term of x should be negative. So minus root 2x whole square we will write here. Because x is here also, x is here also. In both negative terms. So this term of having x variable will be negative. And there will be no effect if you will open the square, then it will be 2x square. So we will write minus root 2x whole square. Now 3 terms are remaining. We will try to write in the form 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now fill the value. What is a? Minus root 2x. b y. I have written 2ab. 2bc. b means y. C means 2 root 2 z. 2ca. C means 2 root 2 z. A means minus root 2x. Now solve it orally. This we have seen that these things are coming. See only one negative sign. Minus 2 root 2xy. Here it is there. 2 2s are 4. 4 root 2 yz. It is here. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2 8. 8xz. It is also there. Means our expression is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And this form is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So we can write this as minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. Because it is the form, this one, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we can write in the form a plus b plus c whole square. So now we will write 2 times minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. So we will write this in 2 ways. Okay. So you can do this question number 5 of this exercise. Okay. Thanks.